Okay, we got 3 coats of epoxy primer down and then 3 top coats down of acrylic enamel. And it went really good. I did not have any reducer for the paint that I got from Kubota. I had to run to the paint store and get some, I believe it was a urethane reducer. And then it shot really, really smooth. Before it was terrible. And now it's actually like a very, very high gloss finish, even on the cast iron. So very happy with that. I have pieces hanging. Tank, which I still have to epoxy coat the inside of this tank. And then the shrouds for the radiator, those came out real nice. And then just for a quick comparison, or the contrast, I have the orange. This thing is gonna pop like crazy. LED lighting's kind of making this orange go nuts on my iPhone. But yeah, that color's gonna be awesome. And then I'll bring you outside real quick. And there's my paint gun holder. There's the exhaust. And these have already cured. There's my gas tank cover, my fenders, which are actually wire tied so they don't fall over because of the wind. There's the Donaldson air filter, it's primed and painted. And the beautiful hood, look at that sucker. Now the shine on it's great. I will buff it and it's gonna just like explode. I'm actually looking forward to that a lot. The only thing that I have to touch up on this hood, there's a run right there, which drives me nuts. I'm gonna sand down that run, and then I'm gonna just hit that with some orange. And then right there, try to sand it. It was a bad run, it's actually still too sticky to sand. But besides that, the orange came out great. I have to shoot the wheels regardless, so orange paint will be going in the gun. And this project is one step closer to being done. I did get all the rubber for the hood. And now I'll be working a week straight in one of the trucks, doing some daytime sweeping. So this will take a brief intermission, but it's okay. It'll let the paint really harden with time. That enamel takes a little time to harden in Louisiana. But the last thing we have to do now is literally wheels, front and back. That big pipe's gonna be the bumper. I'm thinking about having it rhino lined, or I might just spray it with bed liner. That pipe will end up being a big push bumper. But that will be the next step. So yeah, great project. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.